Welcome to Practice Easy English. 50 common verbs in English for everyday life. Cause. Be the cause of, result in. Smoking can cause serious health issues. Celebrate. Commemorate, rejoice, honor. Let's celebrate our achievements together. Benefit. Take advantage of, be advantageous or beneficial to. Benefit from your father's experiences. Let's come to a compromise that benefits all of us. Cast. Throw, toss, fling. Please don't cast your trash on the ground. Use a bin. Characterize. Describe, portray, define. Characterize the main features of the story. Cite. Quote, mention, reference. Cite your sources in your research paper. Claim. Retrieve, collect, pick up. Claim your prize at the front desk. Bring. Fetch. Bring me a glass of water, please. Burn. Scald, scorch. Don't burn your tongue, let the coffee cool down. Challenge yourself. Push yourself, strive. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day. Carry. Take. Carry your umbrella, it might rain later. Collect. Gather, pick up. Collect your belongings before leaving the room. Combine. Mix, blend. Combine the ingredients to make a delicious dish. comfort, console, soothe, reassure. Comfort your friend when they are feeling down. Command, direct, order, instruct. Command your dog to sit before giving treats. Commit, dedicate, devote. Commit to completing your tasks on time. Dedicate yourself to finishing tasks within the set deadlines. Concern, worry. Don't let minor issues concern you. Focus on solutions. Contribute, donate, give. Contribute to the charity to support those in need. Convert, transform, change. Convert the file format for compatibility. Convince, persuade, influence, win over. Convince your friends to come to the party. Cover, shield, protect. Cover yourself with a blanket to stay warm. Crash, collide. Don't crash into other cars. Drive safely. Don't collide with other vehicles. Practice safe driving habits. Criticize, condemn, censure, disapprove. Criticize the idea, not the person presenting it. Cross, traverse, pass over, navigate. Look both ways before you cross the street. Don't cross the boundaries. Respect others' personal space. Cry, weep, sob, wail. Don't cry. I am always there for you. Damage, harm, impair, ruin. Avoid activities that may damage your health. Don't deliberately damage property. Respect others' belongings. Dare. Be brave enough. Have the courage. Dare to dream big and work towards your goals. Debate. Discuss, argue, dispute. Debate the pros and cons of the proposed solution. Decline. Reject, refuse, turn down. Politely decline invitations if you're not available. Defend. Support, argue or speak for. Defend your ideas with strong arguments. Define. Specify, outline, explain. Define the terms before starting the discussion. Delay. Postpone, defer. Don't delay important tasks, tackle them promptly. Demonstrate. Illustrate, exhibit, express. Demonstrate the correct way to solve the problem. Depend on. Rely on, count on. Don't depend solely on others, take responsibility as well. Describe. Portray, depict, characterize. Describe your favorite place in vivid detail. Deserve. Earn, merit, be worthy of. Work hard, and you will deserve success. Don't expect to deserve rewards without putting in effort. Design. Plan, create, formulate. Design a layout for your presentation slides. Desire. Want, crave, long for. Don't desire things at the expense of others' well-being. Destroy. Ruin, harm, damage. Don't destroy relationships through dishonesty. Be open and sincere. Detect. Discover, find, identify. Detect issues early to prevent larger problems. Differ. Diverge, vary, deviate. People differ in their opinions and perspectives. Don't differ for the sake of conflict. Find common ground. Distribute. Share, give out. Distribute food packages to those in need. Share food packages among the homeless. Divorce. Separate, split, break up. Consider counseling before deciding to divorce. Dominate. Control, overpower. Work collaboratively. Avoid trying to dominate others. Drag. Pull, haul. Stop dragging the chair, it will be broken. Don't drag others into conflicts. Resolve issues diplomatically. Educate. Instruct, teach, enlighten. Educate yourself on current events and trends. Emphasize. Highlight, stress, underscore. Emphasize the key points in your presentation. Employ. Use. Don't employ outdated methods. Adapt to new technologies. Enhance. Improve, boost, elevate. Enhance your skills through continuous learning. Celebrate. Commemorate, rejoice, honor. Let's celebrate our achievements together.